Hello friends, today I am going to make a lamp in my finger ring, and for this I am using this oval shaped glass bead, brown in color, and this is 18 gauge brush wire. I make a ring with this, and you can see here I make a L shape and then insert the bead, and now I am going to wrap the both ends with 26 gauge brush wire. Wrap the wires in this way. Now I wrap this wire around the bead and then wrap the wire here. You should wrap it very tightly and firmly. As you can see here, I am wrapping this 2 times and then cut the extra wire. And now I am going to tap my ring in the proper shape. Now we have to wrap this wire in this way and then cut the extra wire. I'm just making a loop here, so I have to cut it and then just press the wire. Now I am making a eye shape here with a 20 gauge brush wire, and I'm going to add this around the glass bead to make a fire in the lamp. Now I'm going to wrap this both wire in this way. You can see Now I am going to make a loop here with the extra wire and then wrap the ring. In this side I am just wrapping this wire 2 times. It seems blank here, so I am going to make one more loop and then wrap the wire. In the other side I am going to make another loop there. I think it's a free will, you can do anything here with this extra wire, and this is the beauty of wire wrapping. You can do anything with this wire. You can add more designs if you like. Otherwise you can cut the wire and end up. I'm going to hammer once again for making it more strong and firm. And it's done. Do you like this design? Please try it, and if you like, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and try to watch the full video. It is helpful for me. Tata for now. Have a nice day.